Next, we will see types of tillage. First, minimum tillage. As its name indicates, it is a minimum manipulation of soil which is necessary for the crop production. So, as compared to the conventional method of tillage, the soil is manipulated in a less amount, or it is the minimum manipulation which is necessary for the crop growth. According to these practices, the crop production cost is reduced because the number of passes or number of turns is reduced because it is a minimum manipulation of soil. And as another advantage, also the labor requirement also reduces. So it reduces the mechanical energy required for the tillage operation as well as the labor requirement of the tillage. And by minimum tillage, it also play a vital role in moisture conservation as well as it also reduce the soil erosion. Next, mulch tillage or stable mulching. It is a tillage operation or a preparation of soil in such a way that the plant residue or other materials are left to cover the soil surface. So it is like a mulching. So it is a tillage operation in which the plant residues or the plant materials are mulched over this surface. So the implements used are light in weight or light implements and subsurface soil stirring types. Basically, V-shaped sweeps are commonly used for mulch tillage. Mulch tillage also controls both wind and water erosions because the plant materials or residues are mulched over the soil surface. So as a result of that, the wind erosion or the water erosions are reduced or controlled. Contour tillage refers to tilling of land along contour or lines of uniform elevation to reduce the soil erosion. So it is nothing but it is the tillage operation along a contour, and it is mainly done in those areas which are having a gentle to moderate slope, and the slope may be 5 to 12%. So in these operations, the harrowing or the tillage operation is done in along a contour, but there is a difficulty that the contour is not marked permanently. So to plow along a contour requires a well experienced or well skilled labor. Next, subsoiling. Subsoiling is a tillage practice done to break the hard pan. Hard pans are formed by the continuous tillage operation in a certain or a same depth. So it is nothing but it is a hard surface formed due to the continuous tillage operation in the same depth. As a result of hard pan, the soil moisture or soil water absorbing capacity will be reduced because it forms a layer or a hard surface. So the water which is entering inside the soil will be inhibited. As another result of that hard pan, the growth of the crop will be inhibited because the crop root of the crops may not be grow within a certain depth. So this hard pan is to be broken. So the tillage operation done to break the hard pan is called subsoiling. So it is mainly done to a depth of 70 to 90 centimeter. Normally, the tillage which is done is up to 10 to 8 centimeter by using animal drawn implements and 15 to 20 centimeter by using tractors. Next, essential. It is very essential in 4 to 5 years. So subsoiling is nothing but it is the breaking of hard pan, or it is a deep ploughing which will break the hard pan, and it is done once in 4 to 5 years. Zero tillage or no tillage. In this system, the crop is planted directly into the untilled seedbed after the harvesting of the previous crop. So there is no tillage process, just putting the seeds after the previous crop is the zero tillage process. Here the labor and machine cost is reduced because there is no tillage process, just putting the seeds in an untilled seedbed. And weed growth and its germination is low. So in zero tillage, the weed growth and its germination is very less because there is no tillage operation. If there is a tillage operation, then there will be a rapid growth of weeds after the tillage. So there is no tillage operations. So as a result of that, the weeds which is germinated or which is grown as compared to the conventional tillage is less. The implement used in a zero till system is zero till fertilizer cum seed drill, because there is no tillage operation, and the furrow openers of a zero till seed cum fertilizer drill is of inverted T shape. So there is no much soil manipulation, and by using a fertilizer cum seed drill, the seed and the fertilizer can also be broadcasted in the soil at a time. So zero tillage is a method of tillage in which the plant or the crop is grown in a untilled or a untilled seed bed after the harvesting of a previous crop.